Hi, good afternoon. How are you? I think so. With pardon. Which part are you in India? Which part are you in India? Pardon? Okay. Are you student or are you working? Okay. You have completed. May, maybe you talked with me, but I could not remember. No, you see my profile name. I think I never talked with you. I think I never tell my name anyone. It's okay. We will discuss. Okay. Yes, yes, I'm here. I'm here. You tell me. You have completed your diploma, right? Right now you are working in which department are you working? Koda company. Okay, that's good. And you are from which place? Which state are you in? Tamil Nadu. Okay. Are you working in Tamil Nadu or are you working in different state in India? Okay, you are working in Kolkata. Okay, then I will not talk with you. Okay, you are working in Chennai, right? Okay. Okay, you have two headquarters, right? One is Kolkata and second is Chennai. Then you are working under two department. It's okay. And how long have you been working? How long? Okay, 6 months ago you have been working in that department, right? What is your branch name? What is your branch name? No, no, no. I am asking which. Okay, you have completed your diploma in mechanical branch, right? Okay, I got your point, but how did you get that job? Did you appear any campus selection? Did you select from campus selection, or did you appear any kind of interview or any kind of exam? How did you get that job? Mm-hmm. Okay, 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 okay. That's good. And have you appeared any kind? Have you want to appear different exam? Do you want to change your profession in future? Okay, what job do you interest? Railway. Okay, railway sector central department job, right? Okay, so nice. Did you appear? Have you appeared before? Okay. Have you joined any coaching or are you self learner? Okay, I got your point. Right now, you are preparing yourself. right? In future, if you feel to join any kind of coaching center to take classes, then you can join, right? Okay, so nice. How long have you been using this platform? 15 days ago. Okay, do you want to enhance your English speaking? Do you want to enhance your English speaking? Okay, okay, I got you. Yeah, everyone's care about grammar, right? But if you practice reading, okay, miss, let me tell. Some people they tell without grammar you can speak good English, right? Some trainer tell, some language trainer and guider, and they always tell without grammar you can speak English. But I don't believe without grammar how can you make sentences? How can you speak? It's okay, it is a language I can understand, but it is not our native language. English is a foreign language, right? For us. Then how you make sentences without knowing any knowledge about language, right? First of all, we have to know little bit basic idea about language, right? Then we can make sentence and we can speak with anyone. That's why it's okay. Illiterate people they can speak English. It's okay, but they make mistake, right? But without grammar, how you make sentences? It is also impossible. That's why everything require 10%, 5%, 20%, right? Then we can speak better English and we become a good speaker and we become a fluent speaker, right? How how trainer evaluate you are a good speaker or not and fluent speaker or not? Anyone can they speak. It is a language. It's okay. But if you want to speak better English, if you want to speak fluent English, then it require grammar, vocabulary, tenses, everything. Right? Illiterate people they can speak because they got a atmosphere. They always interact with the tourist people, right? They always interact with the different country people. They have to speak, they listen and they speak, they got a atmosphere listening and speaking. But well educated people we don't get atmosphere listening and speaking. With whom we
What is
speak
your
and
approach?
with whom we listening, from listening.
One second, one second. Ma'am, one second, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
Please,
Hmm.
ma'am, I call back you. Please, sorry, really sorry.
Yes, yes, you call me.
I call back you, please, ma'am.
Okay, 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 no worries.